differentiate y equal to sine 2x plus cos square x. Let's differentiate it. Before we start, since we know that sine 2x equal to 2 sine x cos x, okay, let's replace that here. So this can be written as y equal to 2 sine x cos x plus cos square x, we will write it as cos x into cos x. Now it is easy for us to differentiate. Differentiation, it can be done in various ways. We are opting one of the simplest way. That's it. Okay. So here we are having product of two terms. So it is understood that we are going to opt the product rule. That is, when we are supposed to differentiate product of two terms, the method will be have the first term as it is, differentiate the second term, plus have the second term as it is, differentiate the first term. That's it. Okay. So y dash will be, let's have 2 as it is, that is the constant term, coefficient, have it as it is. Have the first term sin x as it is, differentiate the second term cos x. So cos x, if you differentiate, that is minus sin x. Then what we are going to do is have cos x as it is, that is the second term as it is now, differentiate the first term sin x, and that's nothing but cos x. Right? Now the next work, have cos x term, first cos x term as it is, differentiate the next cos x term minus sin x. Same way, have the second cos x term as it is now, differentiate the first cos x term minus sin x. That's it. Hope you understood. We are applying the product rule. We are having the sin x as it is. We have differentiated the next cos x term. Then we are having the next cos x term as it is, and we have differentiated the sin x term here. Same way, this cos x term as it is, we have differentiated the second cos x term. The second cos x term as it is, we have differentiated the first cos x term. That's it. Okay. So the differentiation part is over. Now we are going to just simplify. So this is 2 into sin x into minus sin x, which is minus sin square x. Then plus cos x into cos x, cos square x. That's it. Plus this is going to be cos x into minus sin x minus cos x sin x, or minus sin x cos x, both are same. Right. Now cos x into minus sin x sin x, or simply sin x cos x. So plus into minus, minus sin x cos x. Right. So now we are going to write it like cos square x minus sin square x. Nothing is a difference here. We have just written the positive term first and then the negative term. Plus, they both are like terms, children. They both are sin x cos x and sin x cos x terms. So this will be negative sign, both negative sign. So let's add minus 2 sin x cos x. Right. So now we have to go to the trigonometrical identity. Since we know that cos square x minus sin square x equal to cos 2x. Okay. Instead of this, we are going to replace as cos 2x, and sin, that is 2 sin x cos x, is nothing but sin 2x. These two replacements we are going to make it here. So this will be 2 cos 2x plus this will be minus 2 sin x cos x, which is minus 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. The negative sign I have retained in the next step also. So this is 2 cos 2x minus sin 2x. This is nothing but y dash. That's it. Okay. Thank you.